Everyone thinks the best-selling motorcycle helmet locks are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Rock Bros Motorcycle Helmet Lock. First up is the Rock Bros Motorcycle Helmet Lock, priced at $16.99. What caught my attention is its lightweight design and retractable feature, making it super convenient. If you want an affordable yet effective way to secure your helmet, this is worth a serious look. So, why should you consider this lock? The 4-digit combination is not just for security. It lets you customize your code, which is a big deal when you want something easy to remember. The cable extends up to 59 inches, allowing you to lock not only your helmet, but also gear or even luggage. Plus, it has a PVC coating that's 4.6 millimeters thick. This means you won't have to worry about scratches on your bike or helmet. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 584 reviews, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're out and about, you want to feel assured that your gear is safe, and this lock provides that peace of mind. Now, some people complained about its lightweight nature, saying it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be portable. If you're looking for something heavy-duty, this might not be for you. But if you want something you can easily carry around, it's totally worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider looking for a simple solution to secure your helmet. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty lock for more extreme conditions. For the price, you really can't beat its functionality. Now, if the lightweight aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kryptonite Keeper 712 Lock. Next up is the Kryptonite Keeper 712 Bike Chain Lock, retailing for $49.96. This lock really caught my attention with its heavy-duty, hardened steel construction. If you're serious about anti-theft protection, this one is definitely worth a look. Let's talk about why this lock stands out. Made from 7mm hardened steel with a rubber coating, it's built to resist cutting and leverage attacks, which is essential if you're parking in less secure areas. The 4-sided links provide extra security, and you can wrap it around your bike frame and a fixed object without worrying about wear and tear. With a solid 5 out of 10 security rating, it's ideal for moderate security needs, making it popular among over 2,100 users who rated it 4.6 stars. Here's why this matters for you. When you invest in a lock, you want something that offers real protection, especially if you're leaving your bike unattended for a while. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to carry. Here's the thing though, the extra weight comes with the benefit of durability. If you're planning to use it for short rides or just around town, this might feel bulky. But if you're parking in high-risk areas, it's worth it. This lock is perfect for anyone who frequently parks their bike in crowded or unpredictable environments. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight. For the security it provides, the price is quite reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual riders. Product number 3, Master Lock #99KA Helmet Lock. Coming in at $21.97, we have the Master Lock #99KA Helmet Lock, which offers a straightforward yet effective solution. What stood out to me is its simplicity and the option to get multiple locks keyed alike. If you want a no-fuss way to secure your helmet, this is worth considering. Why is this lock a good choice? It features a straightforward key lock system, allowing for quick and easy access. You can purchase multiple locks that can all use the same key, which is super handy if you have several helmets or want to share with friends. It's rated at 4.5 stars from 911 reviews, which indicates a solid user experience. Here's why this matters for you. When you're in a rush, the last thing you want is to fumble with complicated locks. This one lets you secure your helmet without any hassle. However, some users complained about the key sometimes getting stuck in a lock. Here's my perspective. While it could be a minor annoyance, it's not a deal breaker for someone who wants simplicity and ease of use. Just keep it well lubricated and it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, user-friendly solution to lock your helmet without any frills. Skip this if you want something more robust for extended outdoor use. For its price, it's a solid investment for the casual rider. Now, If you're looking for something that offers a bit more security, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Talkable Heavy Duty Lock. Next on the list is the Talkable Heavy Duty Motorcycle Lock, priced at $22.99. This lock really impressed me with its dual functionality designed for serious security. If you want a lock that offers heavy-duty protection for both your bike and gear, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this lock stand out? It features a 2-in-1 anti-theft system with a detachable helmet lock. Made from a hardened aluminum alloy, it's designed to resist cutting and drilling, which is what you want if you're in a high-risk area. Plus, it fits a variety of bikes, thanks to its adjustable design. The bright colors make it easy to spot, which can deter potential thieves. With a rating of 4.5 stars based on 266 reviews, it's become a popular choice among riders. Here's why this matters. When you're on the road, you want to know your gear is secure, and this lock offers that peace of mind. However, some users noted that the installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing. Once it's set up, it's solid. If you're someone who needs quick, easy access, then this might not be the best option for you. This is perfect for you if you own multiple bikes or need a reliable lock for your gear. Skip this if you want something that's super easy to install on the fly. Considering its quality, it provides great value for the price. Now, if you want a lock that's a bit more compact, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, Urban UR 140 Helmet Lock. Last but not least is the Urban UR 140 Motorcycle Helmet Lock, retailing at $36.96. What really caught my eye is its 4-digit combination feature along with its braided steel security cable. If you're looking for a versatile and secure option for your helmet, this one is a strong contender. Why is this lock worth your attention? It features a unique 3-locking method design, combining a carabiner lock, cable, and T-bar extension. The braided steel gives it tough durability while being lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The combination lock mechanism is a big plus since you won't have to worry about losing keys. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 1,300 reviews, it's clearly a hit among users who appreciate its functionality. Here's why this matters. With multiple locking options, you can secure your helmet in various situations without hassle. Some users have pointed out that it can be slightly complex to set the combination initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. So if you're not tech savvy, it might take a moment to learn. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile lock for different uses, from helmets to luggage. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional key lock. Given its features, it offers good value for the money. So, we've covered a range of options, from lightweight and portable to heavy-duty and multifunctional. Each lock has its unique advantages, so consider your specific needs when selecting the best one for you. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 great motorcycle helmet locks. The Rock Bros offers portability, the Kryptonite Keeper delivers heavy-duty security, the Master Lock is all about simplicity, the Talkable gives dual protection, and the Urban UR 140 brings versatility to the table. Think about what you really need and choose the one that fits your riding lifestyle best.